Are there questions that your customers repeatedly ask you? Maybe you need to record a quick how-to video to save yourself some time. For me, a good how-to video clearly outlines the goal, breaks up the process into bite-sized steps, and includes a lot of visual aids. Don't forget to include your personal expertise to make your video more valuable. So let's say I want to show Visla customers how to create a video with just a script. I would first lay out the steps. 1. Create a text-to-video project. 2. Input script. 3. etc. etc. Then depending on your recording style, create a script like this one or jot down your talking points. Sometimes I have ChatGPT write a script for me so that I can use that as a starting point for my own script. Next, collect any visual aids that you might need. I also need a slide to outline the steps, so I'll go ahead and make that. And now we record. I use Visla's camera recording for my intro so that I can insert my slide as media. Then I screen record each step. Finally, I throw all the videos into a video with voice project, edit the transcript. Then I'll insert any supplemental footage to make my video more engaging and add text to make each step more clear. Don't forget to add music and a title slide so that your video is complete. When your video looks good, you can export it. You can easily grab the link to share or the embed code or download the video to upload on YouTube or LinkedIn, anywhere you want to share it. This is how I create engaging and valuable videos for our customers. Hope this is helpful.